What's up, guys? Back with a video, and today would that's my mum texting me. Just ignore that. Well, I don't know if you know him. His name is Virtute. He's a very, very good YouTuber. I really like him. His videos. Yeah, and have you ever had this happen to you?
Languages.
No, it's not. Right, I'll just show you him. I was just watching shorts once, and I came across him. I was like, oh, he looks like a good YouTuber. And then I searched him up, and yeah, I subbed to him. So, Virtute. This has never happened to me, so I'm freaking out right now. Let me go on his videos. This game knew my name.
I'll be asking some
Right. Okay. So this is a
questions. Please press anything to see if it works. No, I refuse. We will now start the interrogation. Do you remember anything? No. Are you married? No. What's with all the questions? Are you living alone? Somewhat. I have my son here sometimes. So I guess yes. Interesting. Do you have a job? Yeah, I've got a job. I do this too. Do you sit a lot in your work? Well, I work in IT and I stream and make videos, so a lot of sitting, yeah. Do you love your job? I would say so. Do you love yourself? Yeah, absolutely. Take a break. Okay, cool. No, I want to go back to the quiz. Are you feeling fine? Yeah. Do you want to be rich? I don't not want to be rich. Yeah, I don't, of course I want to be successful. Is your name Ligma? Ligma! I'll be asking...
Right, so yeah, that's a short. And I've never had this happen to me. So he said, ha, Ligma. I said, sorry. Ha, Ligma, you know. And he's replied to me. And I'm freaking... I was freaking out just because I've never had a YouTuber subscribe to me. Not subscribe. Oh my god. I mean, like comment on my comments or like heart it. So I'm just very grateful for that. You definitely should go subscribe to him. His name's Virtute, obviously. And yeah, you should just go sub to him and like his videos and all sorts. I hope Virtue blows up, like becomes like Mr. Beast, and I'm sure he hopes to. But if Virtue is watching this video, Virtue, take care, and you know, I love your videos.
I'm a trap.
So
I'll be asking some...
We're gonna be playing a game, I don't know. I don't know what game we should play. I only did this video to like shout out Virtue, but let's play some Xtreme motorbikes. Yes. Let's play this game. And I have got a lot of motorbikes now, so I play this game quite a lot. I will show you all my motorbikes. I'm just gonna ride about and stuff. I'll turn like this bit off. Okay, we will see you in 1 second, guys. No. Okay. Let me turn this engine down. That's more like it. Right, so you can Morley hear me now. I don't know if Morley's a word. I didn't know it made that noise, but okay. Yeah, I'm very good at this game as well. Because my dad kept on having those. Because I only got motorbikes because my dad has motorbikes and everything. And I really wanted a motorbike game. I fancied one. Like, fancied having one on my apps. And then I do not regret getting this game. So if Virtue is watching this video, I would like freak out if he did a video sponsoring me or something. And he played this game. Because I love watching his shorts, you know. I don't know how he keeps that calm though. Because if I had a game and it jump scared or stuff, I'd be like, ah, like scream. But yeah, I've never known someone so calm. And we're gonna do this death thing. Don't fall off. Okay. That worked, didn't it? And yes, I do still have a cough. Not COVID though. Like I've said. Come on. Right, okay. This is my technique for this death one because I've been trying it for days. So, wait for this one to go. Boom. Yes, fall off. Okay, right, good. Tightrope. I'm sorry, I'm not talking, I'm just concentrating. Okay, right, we've done that one. Now we got to do this jump. Not the reversal! Right. Oh, how am I gonna get down? Really? Like, for having a YouTuber comment on one of my videos, it's like playing with them. Like, on, say for example, Minecraft. It's like I'm playing Minecraft with Virtue. I've never had someone comment on one of my comments. It just means the world to me. Like, you should definitely go subscribe to it. Oh my god. Subscribe to him. And I'm not saying this just because he commented on my videos. I love watching his shorts before. I just found him one day and was like, oh, he looks like a good YouTuber. I'll subscribe to him. And then having him comment on one of my comments is just crazy. You might not think it's very crazy, because I heart a lot of people's comments and everything. But if Virtue even comments on this video, I will pin it and I will heart it. But sometimes stuff don't always happen. Oh my god, I've just done a backflip. So, yeah. I'm gonna throw in. Oh no. I'm gonna absolutely body this truck. Boom! What? Oh, never mind. I'll body a wall, but the wall won't wobble. When the imposter is sus. Dun, 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 dun. I'm sorry, I'm being cringe. Hey! You sussy bucket. Oh my god. My PS4 should turned off. I don't know why you needed to know that. Yeah. Oh my god. You know how I was saying I'm good at this game? Let's pretend I never said that. Whee! Shoot. I just went on the back of that truck. Alright, I think it's time to show me all of you, all of my, bikes. So this is one. This is the fastest bike. Never mind. Hurry up, ad please. Alright, so this is I don't know what this bike is, but I have it. And I also have this one. This is the one that I use quite a lot because it's like a proper dirt bike. You can wheelie a lot on it, like, and it's dead easy to wheelie. I also have this. I forgot what it's called. I think it's called a copper. I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure it's called a copper. Let's just zoom in. I can zoom in on these. Does that mean I can zoom out? You see that broken car in the back? I've never noticed that. I never looked at the background. Yeah, anyways, I have a police bike. It doesn't look like a police bike, does it? And once I was playing around on this game saying I'm going to murder this cop, because I kept on, like, driving off hills and stuff, and driving into walls. So, poor Mr. Cop. R.I.P. for Mr. Cop. This is, I like to call this as KTM, because that's the normal bike my dad has, and then these are just the free bikes that you can get. So I've got this one, and this one. And I think that's a good place to end it. Psych! Sorry, I'm very loud. Let me just do one more ramp, and then I'll end the video. Oh, isn't this just great? Spawning an airport. It's actually great though. Like, I can go to... Oh my god. Let's do this ramp. Boom. Oh my god! I just landed on the tightrope. Okay, peace guys. See you later. Subscribe to Virtue and me, obviously.